Over the past few years, there has been a growing trend of businesses popping up that are based around unique and innovative ideas. If you are looking to start your own business, then you should definitely consider 20 trending and profitable business ideas that will make your business stand out from the rest. Number 1. Digital product design and development services. Number 2. Online legal services and consultations. Online legal services and consultations can include a wide range of services, such as legal document preparation, legal advice, contract review, mediation, and dispute resolution. Number 3. Personal concierge and errand services. Number 4. Eco-friendly landscaping and garden design services. Number 5. Mobile notary and document signing services. Number 6. Personalized nutrition coaching and meal plans. Number 7. Online graphic design and branding services. Number 8. Virtual reality experience design and development. Virtual reality experience design and development is a rapidly growing industry that offers exciting opportunities for entrepreneurs. This field involves creating immersive experiences that allow users to interact with a virtual environment using specialized technology such as head-mounted displays, motion tracking systems, and haptic feedback devices. Number 9. Socially responsible investment consulting. Number 10. Personalized pet care and dog walking services. Number 11. Online dating and relationship coaching. Number 12. Fitness apparel and accessory store. Number 13. Professional photography and videography services. Number 14. Online real estate agency and property management. Number 15. Healthy snack and beverage vending machines. Healthy snack and beverage vending machines are a great way to provide healthy options for people on the go. These machines can be stocked with a variety of healthy snacks and drinks, including fruits, vegetables, whole grain snacks, and water. Number 16. Eco-friendly cleaning product store. Number 17. Remote medical billing and coding services. Number 18. Online legal document preparation and filing services. Number 19. Personalized online language learning platforms. Number 20. Mobile beauty and hairstyling services. Before starting your business, you must require a business plan. Watch this full video to learn how to write a business plan step by step. Keep moving and achieve your dreams by working on it.